This week, the main focus are the US data that are coming up today with the US GDP, the core PCE index, and on Friday, the NFP report. Hello everyone and welcome back to this midweek technical look. And we're going to have a start with dollar yen, then gold prices and US 500. So starting from dollar yen, we can see that the market had a strong rebound of the 7-month low at 139.85, but is still developing beneath the 143 around number. Immediate resistance is coming from the 20-day SMA near the 143.70, which is near the previous peak here, while even higher, this insane swing low at 144.55 looks to be an also tough obstacle. Even higher, the 50-day SMA at 146.90, and this medium-term descending trend line will be another strong resistance. A break above this descending trend line, then the market may visit the 148.15 level and the 200-day SMA slightly below the 150 psychological mark. So if there is a climb above this line here and well above the 151.15 resistance level, then the market may switch to a more neutral one in the medium term. Now to the downside, if there is a retreat beneath the previous bottom, the market may reach the 137.20 level, and I will switch to the weekly chart to check that the 200 weekly SMA is standing slightly above the 138 level, so there is an also tough obstacle here. Now looking at the technical oscillators in the daily chart, we can see that we have some mixed signs here. The RSI is pointing up below the 50 level. However, the stochastic is diving after the pullback from the 80 region. Now looking at gold prices, that we can see that the market is battling with the 3300 level, and it found also strong support near this return line of the medium-term ascending channel. The price, if there is a move below the 3260 region, then it will confirm a bearish correction until the immediate 20-day SMA at 3226 and even lower, the 261.8% Fibonacci extension level of this down leg here from 2790 to 2535 around the 3200 level. Even lower, the previous peak at 3165 is coming next, and the 50-day SMA at 3075. Now, if there is a break below this ascending trend line, the medium term, then at the price it may move towards the 2950 level and the 2880, which is also near this long-term ascending trend line. Now to the upside, the next resistance is coming from the all-time peak at 3500 and even higher at 3600, which is the 423.6% Fibonacci extension level. We have some weakening momentum from the technical oscillators. The RSI is moving lower above the neutral threshold of 50, and the MACD dropped beneath its trigger line above the zero area. And now having a look at the US 500, we can see that it surpassed the 5500 level and is moving towards the 50-day SMA around the 5594 region, the 100-day SMA at 5652, and the 200-day SMA at 5755. So if there is a move above the 200-day SMA as well as above the 5790 resistance, then we may confirm a bullish movement in the market again, touching the 6000 level and even higher the 6100. On the flip side, a drop back below the 5500 level, then the price may find immediate support at the 20-day SMA at 5350 and even lower at 5100, which is taken from the latest trough. So the current outlook in US 500, it looks to be quite positive in the very short term, but I think that it needs a lot of boost and a move above the 200-day SMA to confirm that we are getting back to a more optimistic scenarios. Now the RSI is flattening slightly above the 50 region, and the MACD is holding above its trigger line and is trying to cross above the zero area. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching and have a great day.